Spinach and Feta cheese Börek. Ingredients: 10 phyllo dough sheets, thawed overnight if using frozen. 3 tablespoon vegetable oil. Half cup of skim milk. 1 large egg. 2 tablespoons plain yogurt. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. For the filling: 20 ounces, 1 pound, fresh baby spinach, washed and dried. I used a salad spinner. 1 onion peeled and chopped. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon salt. See note. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper optional. 2 tablespoons sesame seeds. I used black and white. 1 cup feta cheese crumbled. For the egg wash: 2 egg yolks. Instructions: whisk olive oil, milk, 1 egg, yogurt, salt and pepper in a bowl until combined. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pan. Add the chopped onion and cook until fragrant, 3–5 minutes. Add the spinach, salt and pepper. Close it with a lid. Cook it, in medium heat, until the spinach loses most of its volume, around 5 minutes. Give it a stir and turn the heat off. Let it sit for 15 minutes. When it cools down, using a mesh strainer, strain it from all of its juices. Place it in a bowl, add the feta cheese and stir it gently until combined. Line a baking sheet, -12 by 17, with parchment paper. Lightly spray it with vegetable oil. Place 2 sheets of phyllo dough and brush it with 3 tablespoons of the milk mixture. Repeat the same process one more time. Place 1 sheet of phyllo dough and spread the spinach feta cheese filling evenly, leaving ½ inch space on the edges and corners. Continue with placing 2 sheets of phyllo dough and brushing it with 3 tablespoons of the milk mixture twice. Place the last phyllo dough on top and brush it with 2 tablespoons of the milk mixture. Cover it with stretch film, place it in the fridge and let it rest at least 2 hours or overnight. When ready to bake, heat the oven to 350 degrees. Slice the Börek evenly as desired. Brush it with 2 egg yolks and sprinkle each piece with black and white sesame seeds. Transfer it into the oven and bake until it is golden brown, 30–35 minutes. Serve immediately.